I was nervous about having this kind of cut off the room because they like to dance and play and we're trying to use the space. Cut to, this is pretty perfect because when we have folks here like visiting, they can sit there and have room and we don't have to feel like we're cuddling together, so.
They call me the Couch Whisperer. I help real people find real couches. Today's real people are Kat and Matt, and they wanted an upgrade to the place where they sat. Kat and Matt got a COVID sofa, a big brown couch from Wayfair that they got during the pandemic that at first was great, but it didn't exactly hold up the way that they were hoping. What a surprise! So they needed an upgrade. It was time to get something that would be bigger to seat them and their growing family of 2 kids and a dog, and also have some space to entertain when friends came over. They needed a fabric that was incredibly soft and durable, that was very stain resistant and cleanable. They needed something that was very comfortable but also had some structure to it so they wouldn't fall in and never get out like their old sofa. So I thought the choice was clear. DreamSofa, made in California, extremely high quality materials. And this time they had zippers on them that actually kept all the fluff inside, unlike their old one where the fluff was going everywhere. So it just got delivered and I'm excited to check it out. Let's go inside.
Hi!
Hey,
Come
Matt,
on in!
Matt.
Come on
How often do
in!
people talk about your names and the fact that they rhyme?
Oh, great question. We like to refer to ourselves as Cat Matt. It's like easy, and then we make fun of it.
Oh,
Hilarious.
you guys go Cat Matt or Cat and Matt?
Cat and Matt.
Yeah.
Easy.
Look at this couch! It's awesome! First of all, I'm sitting on it right now. The first thing I feel is like there's definitely a lot of structure.
I'm usually like this. Like
No, this is your spot.
Yeah, I know, but I have my
Oh.
feet up. I like to have my feet up on the couch. I like to be cozy.
Okay, so you guys have 2 kids. They're younger girls, and
Uh-huh.
you have a dog. We just heard the dog barking. You know, you guys wanted something that was incredibly durable. Like, that was the baseline. Because
Yeah.
the last couch, it didn't really hold up so well. It's kind of like fast fashion furniture. It's good for a while, I'm sure, when you first got it.
Fine.
Yeah.
It's one of those, like, you sort of sink into it. There was a lot of wear. Again, kids, dogs. Like, we were unzipping the cushions a lot, having to wash them. Zippers broke. You know, it's smaller than this and just here. And we didn't have a lot of seating for guests.
Right.
I was nervous about having this kind of cut off the room because they like to dance and play and we're trying to use the space. Cut to, this is pretty perfect because when we have folks here like visiting, they can sit there and have room and we don't have to feel like we're cuddling together. So this was perfect.
But you didn't want something that jutted out because the true shape of this room is quite rectangular.
Yeah.
It's longer than it is wide. The other thing is that your last couch was a darker color, which kind of, I don't know, I mean, I only saw pictures, but it really seemed to inform the look of this room. And now it has a brighter, airier, open kind of look.
Yeah.
How did you choose the color?
Yeah, well, we talked about wanting to have a color that was to brighten up the room and just make it feel more like cheerier,
Yeah.
honestly. And that we were nervous about a lighter color with kids and dogs. Cut to, this is really easy to vacuum, to clean up spots if anything spilled on it.
Our daughter was eating spaghetti here, and she got spaghetti hands already on it, and I just wiped it.
I didn't
That was a
even-
dad win.
I said, don't get your hands on the new couch. Guess what?
Bet you
Got
did it
on the new
anyway.
couch.
And then all the
Cheating.
hands.
And I just wiped it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't
That's
even
awesome.
know that.
No, but so DreamSofa, one of the reasons why I thought that this would be the perfect brand is because they have, first of all, so many fabric options. And many of them, especially this like really smooth velvet, are incredibly stain resistant. Water repellent to a degree. Like I bet when you cleaned it, it wasn't like it was soaked for an hour, correct?
No.
Yeah. So they're very, very good quality in that way and great for families. So whenever someone has a family with pets and kids, I know that if I recommend DreamSofa, the fabric, which is such a huge part of the sofa sitting and feel experience, is, you know, high performance. And then I think we found it. That's great. So you normally sit on the Chaise portion.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should switch places and see what that looks like.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna need a blanket.
Okay, she's gonna need a blanket. We're gonna have to do this.
Turn on couples therapy.
Yeah, let's turn on a show.
Is that your show? Have you had guests come over
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Well, they'll walk in and say, wow, you leveled up. Also, we really love to have
Vinyl and tea nights.
Yeah, we play records, drink tea, have friends come over.
All right, so tell me about the delivery experience, because DreamSofa offers white glove delivery. They didn't just drop it outside. I mean, I'm sure you didn't get this with your Wayfair couch, but tell me what the delivery experience was like.
It got kind of surprised that they're like, hey, we're ready. We got a couch coming for you. And we said, great. So they were flexible on when they could drop it for us. Two of the nicest guys came up, packaged, they put it together. They helped us arrange it in the room. Wasn't a lot of assembly, but I was ready to dive in there. And they just did everything.
You had your Allen wrench set ready.
I was ready.
There was no Allen wrenches needed.
They did not want me to help.
It was so quick too.
Have you seen the zippers of this new sofa, and what do you think about them? Because this sofa is made in Los Angeles, where we are right now, as you may know, and made in the USA stuff, like all by hand. There's no robots involved in DreamSofa's production. So these zippers are like high quality zippers that actually work.
I'm very particular about zippers. YKK, I have a preference of a zipper.
I am a couch professional. Yeah. I know zippers, and YKK is really...
It's a great zipper. Because it works. These work too. Our last ones did not. Once we unzipped, it was very hard to rezip.
Yeah.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.